Okay. Next, guys. Ann Bangs Vlog. Ay, akala ko tinakasan mo na din ako. Dits, I'll check your channel. Okay. Baik. Oy, apa kabar my friend? How are you? Salamat malam. Okay, you have blue now. Didi, you have blue. Sige, mother, idlip muna ko dito sa live mo. Wala kang premier, ha? Richel. Wala kang premier, ha? Mamaya, baka mamaya nagpa-premier na naman mag-isa yung ano mo. Okay, dito na ako sa bahay mo. Richel Vlog. My little Angela playing. Oh, tamang-tama ito. 17 minutes na tulog mo. Ano, Richel? Ah, ito dapat yung premiere mo kagabi. You're welcome. O, mahaba-haba na ito na idlip mo pag makaidlip ka kagad. Pero si mother, hindi yan basta-basta nakakatulog. Matagal. Bago ko maantukin. Masa Tihada Vlog, tulog ka na dyan, lalabs. EPC, mega love, shout out, good morning, good morning, good morning, all the way from Switzerland. Switzerland or New Zealand? Oh, man. EPC, ang sakit ng mga balakang ko sa ginawa mo sa akin. Ako, napasarap tulog ko kahapon, pagising ko, aba, tapos na premiere. At saka hindi ko rin nakita yung notification. Hinintay-hintay man kita dito, sabi ko, asan na kaya si Richel? Ilang ulit ko inulit-ulit na sabi, asan si Richel? Agoy, wala na si Richel. Spring Beauty, Dan Connect, Mamski, Family Vlog. EPC, doon ako sa'yo. Hindi ko na makilaon. Okay. Harang, EPC. Harang-harang. Richard, sige na, midlip ka na dyan. Ann Bangs Vlog, almost done na yung video mo. Ann Bangs Vlog, Ararat Restaurant, Dubai. Kapsat Luz, silipin kita doon, ha? Okay, EPC playing. Ann Bangs Vlog, yung music na ginamit ko kay EPC. Yan o si EPC Music. Georgie, the most serious YouTuber ever. Thanks for your email, but I don't have any free time to answer it. Not existing message, sorry. Georgie, how are you? How are you, Georgie? Of course, how can you respond to the email, not existing email? Richard Vlog, done na sa'yo. Lunch with new friend from Houston. Mabuti, ate. Oh, see? Very good. Why you speaking English when you know how to speak Tagalog? You want to finish my English? My English is not unlimited, okay?